Take a ride in 2021
Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rollover protection system, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.